Once we understand how to calculate, how to come up with the formula for the general term and how to use that formula to figure out any term in the sequence, we can then go one step further and try to figure out the number of terms when they give us the very last term in the sequence. Find the number of terms in the arithmetic sequence, starting with positive 5, that's first term. And this sequence will give us a fraction for the second term. I don't need to know what is this. Yeah, I know term 2 would be this, but more importantly, I want to figure out the pattern going from term 1 to term 2. Minus 1/8, yeah, or adding negative 1/8 to it. This sequence is going down by negative 1/8. And that means using the general formula, I will be starting from first term, and it will be going down by 1/8 for that many times. This is the formula for the general term.
You still have to simplify it though.
Yeah, we will still want to simplify it. So 5 minus 1/8 of n plus 1/8, as you open up the bracket, we will end up with 41 over 8 minus n over 8. But they want us to find the number of terms. They want us to find the number of terms, which means find this. How many terms are there if you end up with 3/8 for your very last term? So in this case, I can consider Tn as the nth term in my sequence and substitute this nth term into my formula. So in this case, we will try to solve for this. What do we end up with? Yes.
Why can you not bring n over 8 to the other side?
So if I continue to solve for n using this equation, seeing how everything has the same denominator, that means I can simplify this equation to 3 equals 41 minus n, or n equals 38. So that means we will end up with 38 terms in this particular sequence. Starting from 5 as your first term, you will have term number 2, term number 3, term number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, all the way to term number 38. This will now be the 38th term in your arithmetic sequence.